Ford is back with an all-new 2025 EcoSport, redefining the compact subgame with bold styling, enhanced technology, and improved efficiency. Is this the perfect small SUV for urban adventurers? Let's find out. The 2025 Ford EcoSport gets a major facelift. A bolder front grille, sleeker LED headlights, and muscular body lines give it a sportier stance. The new alloy wheels and dual-tone roof options add a premium touch, making it stand out in the urban jungle. Step inside, and the 2025 EcoSport welcomes you with a refined, high-tech cabin. A larger 10.1-inch touchscreen with Ford's latest Sync infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium sound system make every drive enjoyable. The improved cabin materials and ergonomic seats offer comfort for both daily commutes and long road trips. Under the hood, Ford offers multiple engine options, including a fuel-efficient 1.5L EcoBoost turbocharged engine, delivering 180 horsepower. The EcoSport now comes with an optional all-wheel drive system for added confidence in tough road conditions. Whether you're zipping through city traffic or heading for an adventure, this SUV is built for performance and efficiency. Safety is a priority in the 2025 EcoSport, packed with Ford Co-Pilot 360 technology. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. It's designed to keep you and your passengers safe on every journey. With a starting price of around $22,000, the 2025 EcoSport offers an affordable yet feature-packed option in the compact SUV segment. Competing with the Hyundai Venue and Nissan Kicks, it holds its ground with superior technology and a bold design. The 2025 Ford EcoSport is smarter, stronger, and more stylish than ever. With its modern tech, improved efficiency, and rugged capability, it's a fantastic choice for city drivers and weekend adventurers alike. What do you think about the new Ford EcoSport? Is it the best compact SUV of 2025? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to Auto World for more exciting car updates.